traders, this is Cynthia. I'd like to show you a really nice long trade in the pound franc this morning in the 15-minute chart, and I want to show you what happened in the London session and then when the New York session opened. If you're a trader who trades the London session, you would have had your first entry here when the green candle finally broke above the resistance of the congestion box and your volatility went above the 60 RSI line. This was your first entry for 40 pips. You would have exited here when the red ball appeared and the purple candle. And that was 40 pips for your first trade, and here's your second entry going long again when the green candle broke out above the congestion box and your volatility is increased to the 80 RSI line. You had your blue dot appear, which is a long entry, and you had your the major trend line is aqua, so we know that we're only going to be placing long trends as long as this trend line stays aqua. So for the London session you would have had 80 pips, and when the New York session opened, this is approximately the New York session opens at 7 Eastern time, but this was an hour later at 8 Eastern time, and for me in Central time it's 7 a.m., so that's when I got up and I saw this long trade in the 15-minute chart. So this is where I entered long, where you can see the volatility bars are way above the 60 RSI, so we know that the volatility is still very, very strong. Here was my entry long because I saw the candle that broke above the congestion box, and so I jumped in here and I exited here when the red dot appeared on the first purple candle. So that was actually a 150 pip gain in how many hours was that? That was less than 3 hours. So that's okay for a trading morning. We had a lot of volatility in the pound this morning. There was a news announcement at 4:30 a.m. Eastern time regarding the pound, and so we had a nice long trade which you could have started here, and in a 15-minute chart you can really pick up the pips. So I hope this gives you an idea of what the breakout trend trading simple system can do for you. Thanks very much for watching.